Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Adidi Makeovers. It's Thursday guys. This is Thursday for our turban tutorial. So if you've not watched the turban tutorial, I'm going to be leaving a link down below for you guys to watch that. So I'm going to be showing you how big and how long this turban is. The raw silk is a 2.5 yard. I don't know why it was not showing the way I was measuring the raw silk, but it's going to be a 50-50 part raw silk. I'm going to be bringing it from behind because it's a V-shaped raw silk. So as you can see, it's a 50-50 part. I divided it in equal part. So I'm going to be showing you how we do that. So after placing it behind her head, I'm going to be from the back of her head rather. I'm going to be flipping one side and then making my pleats. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I am just making a pleat with one side because it's a V shape, so I'll always bring it from the back and then place it one on the ear and the other side behind the ears. Can you see this? Yeah, so you want to make sure you secure the pleats very well. So I'm bringing the other 50 part up and then making a pleat. You want to be very careful. If you didn't see the way I made my first pleat, you're seeing the way I'm doing the second one now. I'm going to be making 5 pleats. You want to make sure your pleats are clean, guys. If your pleat is okay, then guys, you are done. And then at the end of my pleat, if I'm doing a V turban, I'm going to be bringing one out to cover the one I'm going to be flipping on the other side. Can you see this? I brought the last pleat to cover the remaining, so it looks like I am securing that. Simply, if I leave it like this and tight at the back, the turban is perfect because your pleats are perfect. So I'm going to be bringing up the remaining pleats. I'm just going to be pulling some up like that gently. So you guys want to be careful because we've secured it with a pin. That is why it's not showing how the turban looks like how the pleat is going to end. Yeah, so I'm going to be folding everything out and I'll be asking her to hold it down for me. So we are going to be twisting one of the handle. I'm going to be twisting that one side. You can choose any side you want, either the left or the right. After twisting that, I'm going to be bringing it to the middle and then securing that with my office pin. You want to make sure, even your twist, you want to make sure it's very neat. You don't want any pieces of the material hanging out like that. So you have to be careful. Even the way you twist your turban, the raw silk, you want to make sure you twist it very well so it doesn't come out and look rough. Who likes the makeup? If you do, I'm going to be leaving a link down below for you if you want to watch how we created this makeup look. I'll be leaving a link down below. So I'm going to be using a pin, bringing up the other side of the turban and using a pin to secure that. This turban is more of a bridal turban. You can use it as a bride, you can use it as a wedding guest, so it's up to you to decide. So I'm going to be bringing up the remaining part of the turban. The material You can make whatever you want to make there. You can make ruffles, you can make anything you want to make, but I'm just simply bringing that up. I don't know what happened with the way I was recording the video, the way I set the camera, but you guys should pardon me. You're going to see the final result now. I am just folding it and tucking in the rough parts of the turban, and then using a pin to secure that. I don't know why it's not showing the upper, but I'll try and rectify this mistake next time. So I'm just folding it, basically just making sure the turban stands well, like the head, it should stand very well. So yeah, you can just simply leave it like this, and boom, that's all, guys. That is all for this turban. So if you do love this turban, please don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. You can watch my turban tutorials, and the materials I use for my turban is available for sale. If you want to purchase that, you can just send me a DM via Instagram at Hadidi Makeovers, and then I'll be responding to you there. Wherever you are in the world, I'm going to send to you. There's always a means to send something to someone wherever the person is in this world. So thank you guys for watching my videos. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.